Chongqing. This megacity is built on mountainous terrain, crossed by deep rivers such as the Yangtze and the Jialing. The rugged landscape requires elevated highways, bridges, and multi-level tunnels that weave together. The result is a city that feels almost impossible, like something straight out of a science fiction movie or cyberpunk video game. The Chongqing Rail Transit, the city's metro system, is famous for its unusual design. At Lisabon Station, the tracks run directly through a residential building, an ingenious solution to the city's lack of space.